Hey y'all. So, ooh, look at my Christmas nails. This is like a green glitter thing with no base on it. So, yeah, but I love the chrome. But anywho, today coming at you with a bag unboxing, y'all. I feel like I bought more bags in the last month of the year um than I did the whole year. Early Christmas unboxing. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this, but yeah. So I have to keep it like this because my address is like on both sides. So I'm going to have to be careful and make sure I don't cut into anything opening this. But okay, just while I'm opening this, let me tell y'all a little bit about what's going on here. So I don't know if y'all follow Kira, her YouTube channel is Relax I've Had Coffee. So I actually learned about this company on her page where for her birthday, actually, she got a bag from this company and I saw it and, oh, did I cut the, okay. No, I didn't. I saw it and I immediately fell in love. And I was like, I need one now. Like literally, I saw her video and I placed an order the same night that I saw her video. So this company, basically just a little bit of background, is called Exotic Python. And they make, like the name says, exotic python bags. So the one that she had in particular that I got as well was a dupe for the Lady Dior bag, which I am definitely a fan of. But as we all know, especially if you want one in an exotic leather, the price is going to be exorbitant. So yeah, I feel like this is a really affordable alternative to getting that bag. So let's see, make sure I'm not giving y'all my whole address here. Okay, I think I gotta open it up a little bit more. But yeah, so this company, you can actually find them on Etsy. And so I placed an Etsy order and basically I messaged them. Their communication is really great. I messaged them before I decided to place my order. And I was like, yeah, I want this bag, but I want it in a different colorway than what y'all have right here. And they were basically like, yeah, we can make it, you know, in the color that you want. Okay. There we go. And they were like, yeah, we'll send you all the colors that we have. So I had another color in mind from another bag that they had on their website, but then they sent me the colors, y'all. They have so many amazing colorways. So I ended up choosing something different. So this is how it comes. This is what the box looks like. It's beat up. It's a little beat up. Now, I will say this did get here from Indonesia in 2 days. So, like, I'm not, or was it 3? Today, what's today? It was 3 days, 3 days. It got here from Indonesia in 3 days. So I'm like, not even mad at it. Especially because we're here for the bag. Like, that's what we're here for. So, I am going to go ahead and take this ribbon off. Alrighty. And open it up. Okay, so it just comes in a little dust bag. Doesn't have any naming or anything on it. Okay, and it has like the little string like this. Do y'all see? Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. So they sent me a picture before they shipped it. Well, pictures before they shipped it out. And like, I'm gonna tell y'all this story really quick. So I woke up because like I said, it's Indonesia. So when they messaged me, it was like maybe 4 o'clock Eastern US time. So I was asleep. Your girl was asleep. So when I woke up and started, checking my messages, I saw their messages and I saw this. I woke up to those pictures and I was just, still laying in bed and my husband was getting ready for work. And I was just like, wow, wow, wow. And he was like, wow, what are you saying wow about? What are you saying wow about? And I was like, I just got the pictures for my bag and it is gorgeous. Like, it is stunning. And he was like, oh, of course he wasn't as excited as I was because he's a man. But can y'all see the colorway, the detail? This is so stunning. Can we talk about what a good choice I made with the colorway? Like, this is so gorgeous. And then, not me about to drop it. Oh, and I love how the chrome is like matching my bag perfectly. Like, okay, girl, not on purpose, but this is so pretty. Like, I can't wait to style this at all. Well, I can't wait. I'm gonna wait, but it's super pretty. So as you can see, it's in that general style that the Lady Dior is in. So yeah. But of course, like I said, this is a dupe. It doesn't have any Lady Dior or Dior branding at all. So I did go ahead and get the gold hardware because y'all know I'm a gold hardware type of gal. So I am going to, if I can open it with my nails. Okay, there we go. Open this. And the inside is lambskin. That's what they said, that the inside is going to be lambskin. So yeah, I can definitely tell that it's like a really soft leather material. And it does come with the strap, with the shoulder strap. So you can, utilize that as well. And they have it tied, with a little piece of snakeskin here. So this is really cute. And there is as you can see, like a slip pocket right here. And then on the other side, you actually have a zippered pocket. So yeah, this is a good size. This is actually bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be a tad bit smaller, but they do give you the measurements. So, it is what it is. But I'm gonna just throw, just to give y'all like a quick size reference, I'm just going to throw a few things in there. So I have 2 phones. This is a iPhone 12, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, pocket organizer, and let's see, a little NYX lip gloss. What else do I have? A little mini pochette. I'll throw in there too. As you can see, I'm literally throwing these items in here, like literally throwing. And there's so much room. Like, I literally threw these in here, no organization. And there's so much room left in here. But yeah, I am definitely a happy customer. Like 100%. This bag is so gorgeous. Like, look at it reflecting, the gold reflecting the light. I'm going to try to get some pictures and like some better lighting for y'all as well, because it's coming across a little bit darker because like my lighting isn't great right here. So yeah, it looks a little bit darker than it actually is in person, but yeah, I'm just feeling, and this is snakeskin, so you are going to have to be careful with this as well as with any exotic leathers. But yeah, this is super gorgeous. And I'm super excited about it because y'all know me. Y'all know I love to customize things. Y'all know I love Anna Joseph because I get to get a lot of custom pieces from her. And now I got to custom make this bag. I mean, it's the purple coming from the blue, gold for me, like with the gold hardware. It's all of that. But yeah, I'll try to insert like a picture of the specific colorway that they showed me and I actually selected. So y'all can kind of see what it looked like before versus what it looks like now. Oh, and it does come with feet on the bottom. Oh, they actually wrap the feet in the snakeskin. Wow. I did not know they were going to do that. I don't know if I saw that on Kira's video or not. I might not have been paying attention, but she did mention that it had feet, I believe. But yeah, they actually wrapped the feet in the snakeskin, which is new. I assumed it would be, you know, like just gold feet to match the gold hardware, but nope. That's not how they did it. So that's very unique, I think, as well. But yeah. Any questions about this company? I'll try to answer. Like I said, I am new to them as well. Like I said, I was introduced from Relax I've Had Coffee, so I'll leave her video linked down below as well. But yeah, overall, so yeah, as far as the time it took, so it took them 2 weeks to make this bag. And then, like I said, the shipping was about 3 days. They did ship it DHL Express. So 2.5 weeks for a custom bag. I mean, you can't really beat that. Like, you honestly can't really beat that. But yeah, also for under $300, you can't beat that with a stick, okay? You cannot beat that with a stick. So yeah, I love the results. I actually want a couple of their other bags as well. Not me just stroking this bag. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it because this is my first custom bag. Like, you don't get to make a custom bag every day. Usually you have to, you know, just get what you like from what they've already made. So yeah, this is super gorgeous, and make sure you're following me over on Instagram because I will definitely be taking pictures and showing you how I style this bag. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.